guys, my Flex Push here, stupid glare. Yay, posters. Can't move. Stuffed animal. I turned slender and eyeless Jack with a tuxedo on. The time that you're watching this is going to be the time that I get internet, but right now I don't even have internet, so I'm just recording this randomly, wandering, random. I'm random. I'm bored. All I can remember right now is just, don't hug me, I'm scared. Guys, check that person out, because he made the Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared series, and it was awesome. And the 6th one might be the last. It's kind of upsetting. Because the enemy made on the day that it always shows up, which is June or July 19th. Or 16th? I think it was 19th. Sam. Can you see Sam? He looks like a piece of coral. Hello, Sam. Why aren't you? He's fed. Bunch of peoples. My dear jellyfish. The door does not match at all with the walls. A light that's so bright that it doesn't show up how it's supposed to show up on camera. Oh my god, that's so weird. But you guys can look outside. There's gonna be like trains coming by my house, so if you hear the noise, that's what it is. Hey, we're looking at my TV. And a smelly stuff thing. It smells. Yeah. I'm just gonna end the video. But wait a minute, I'm gonna do a vlog about my dog. I'm gonna go run downstairs. Don't mind the movie. Nope. No. Hey, Poop.
That was oddly fantastic. Oh, this is
Huh?
Make up your choice before you go to bed.
Okay. What?
What time is it?
I don't know. I can't see it. He has a house though. I'm an Enderman. Jen's a dragon. Ashton's a creeper. That's just boys. Yeah. Queen's chicken. turn off the video with Sam. Dun 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 dun. Sam. Goodbye.